Okay, we've got a question here that a topic on the portal is showing up in future, but not just in active. So how do we fix that? Now, even if you imported this from another teacher, or rather from the question bank, from the topic bank shared among the school, even if you've imported that, you should still be able to change when it's visible and when it's not. For your students. So if this is a topic you want available to your students right now, then all we need to do is hit the pencil button and then go over to Setup, click Edit Settings, and then if we scroll down, we'll be able to change when it's visible and when it expires. And the expire is, it doesn't have an asterisk, it's optional. So it can stay in perpetuity. So today is the 30th, so I'll just apply to the selected. And so it copies that date down. I could have also just clicked and selected that. Then I'll press save. Now if I go back to topics, here it is in active as well as future. Oh no, it's not in future, it's just in active.